You genius!
Well, I thought you were gonna hit me.
Come on, you're gonna kill him!
I'm trying to just keep getting away.
No, you're not grabbing him!
Go grab his tail, Bert! Go!
Get him, Sissy!
He's the one with the rag.
Lift him hard! Hey, take him.
Flip him over, Alan.
Flip him over.
He's huge. We mean he ain't
Help
big.
me? Where's the hook at?
Right there.
Is it like right there?
In his mouth. It's like in his mouth.
Oh,
Where's the
yeah,
pliers?
it's
Here, bring him up here then.
Right.
Come over here. Going back in.
It's a little something.
Yeah, you gotta take it.
Sure. Okay.
Look at that baby.
Woo!